First, consider the size of the crack. Structural cracks are typically wider than 1/8 inch. If you have a crack that's smaller than this, it's likely not a structural issue. But if it's wider, you should definitely get it checked out by a professional. Next, look at the direction of the crack. Structural cracks often run diagonally or vertically through a wall. Non-structural cracks, on the other hand, are usually horizontal. So, if your crack is running up and down or at an angle, it might be a structural problem. Another sign of a structural crack is if it's growing or changing. If the crack is getting bigger over time, or if it's changing shape or direction, that's a strong indication that it's a structural issue. Non-structural cracks generally stay the same size and shape. Lastly, structural cracks often appear in specific areas of a building, such as where walls meet ceilings or floors, around doors and windows, or at the corners of a building. If you find a crack in one of these areas, it's a good idea to have it inspected by a professional.